ever wondered about where theories of space, time, mass, motion, or gravitation originated? When Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, the world did not have many scientific theories. Albert's father, Herbert Einstein, and Albert's uncle, Jacob, both inspired him by building new inventions such as dynamos, which powered electric lights. This young inventor also wanted to do this, but instead of building things, he wanted to make theories. At the time, Hendrik Lorentz, a well-known physicist, created multiple theories that Albert was puzzled by. Later on, he would experiment with them and realize some were not true. When he was 4, he went to an electric light show and was amazed by how it worked. Soon after, his dad gave him a pocket compass, which made him entranced by magnetism. Albert's father realized how curious he was and to help install lights for the Oktoberfest. During the physicist's lifetime, he had many accomplishments. In 1905, he published papers on the photoelectric effect, the electrodynamics of moving bodies, and the relativity of atoms. From 1912 to 1914, he earned professorships in Bern, Zurich, and Prague. His greatest achievement was probably winning the Nobel Prize for his paper on the relativity of atoms. About 30 years later, he died. Albert Einstein proved that some of Newton's theories were false, but then made new ones that were true. People study Albert Einstein because he made many scientific theories that we still employ today. Society has benefited because using his theories, we can learn more about our universe. Overall, Albert Einstein could be considered the smartest man ever.